That looks a little farther up now. 2229. Yeah, actually that's right on.
Hey everyone, listen up!
Yeah.
Be back here by 13:30. I know it's not a lot of time.
Number 3. It's gonna be. Yeah, hit us like home. You can catch the 2 and then.
Because this is like it's a multiple course land nav thing, but so we're all doing it off the same.
It's not?
Yeah. You have to follow the left side.
Alright. Anybody comes in your room?
What is that? Oh. That's scary.
You don't know who he is?
You don't know who he is?
Is that right there?
Section there then? Check where it's north. Like where that gaggle of people is, where's that? That's right here. So is the start point back? Yeah, see how there's 2 roads? You got this way and you have that way. So that's, we're in between here. We're like right by the starting point. Okay. I'm joking.
And subtract 15. So how come your compass direction looks different than mine? Maybe not so.
He's norther than you.
Should be that direction, right?
Yeah.
He's gonna follow you guys getting lost to your first point? He's gonna follow you Pez getting us lost to our first point.
Yeah.
So I was at.
So just make sure your hands perfectly well, right?
Do you have the azimuth plotted down?
That is my actual azimuth.
Yeah, like the map.
I know you're going to be. Good.
I think the highest you got was like 23 degrees. Good. Yeah. But the wind made it feel like it was like negative. Fuck yeah. Yeah.
0.1, 31.2.
Dylan, did you just throw that at me?
3-1.
I didn't hit your sword. I turned away real fast. It's like, fuck.
3-0.
2-1. Over there, not middle. I'm just gonna take a picture of it. Hey, what point are you looking for? Wouldn't you like to know? What is it? It's like 3098 something. And then 2011. We're not checking these guys. We're just letting them run around and do whatever. Okay. All right, up the road. Yes, sir. Maybe. Oh yeah. One that one. That's fast. Alright, so we're passing a couple intersections before. The third intersection is Very cinematic.
Taking a picture.
No, I'm not. Fuck.
And then I would figure out my azimuth, or I would maybe apply a secondary route using the roads. Let us see if you line your north up at night. Right, so like 6, and then you pick your direction and you line your north up at night.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good combo. I mean, but it's like, if you do need to do...
Move left. So 3 1 3 0.
I need to do my line straight.
2 1 1 0.
This is my
Do you need the pins?
I think they gave it wrong.
So we are using a different color. I would use a different color just to make sure you get the wrong direction. Through that tree right here.
So, it's going to be well. Yep. Straight through.
Okay.
Went up 16 to 42 degrees.
42.
Yep.
By 42.
Yep. Adjusted and recorrected.
There we go.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's my thing. I don't round up. I just went straight.
Yeah.
So you see the where the dead bushes starts? Yeah, that's it. All right.
All right, lead.
Yep. 3. All the way up to the other side. All right.
You have 10 minutes, hurry up, plot your points and get the fuck out. Don't do that. Take your time, plot your points, replot your points, and if you're me, plot them again.
1 point. I would write it down if I were you. All right. 10 Tango. Echo Tango. 3-1. 3-1.
Just point at it so you look official. Yeah, really think about it. Yeah, don't you write anything in there. I'll kill you.
I did. I got it.
Yep, sign it. Yep.
One of my talented friends, like, that's his.
Start point 4. 3118. 2140.
All right. Come here, boys. Contact, start. Go. All you. All right. So we are. Hey, give me the rest of the start point. 3-1.
Here, I'll go see if they're right over here.
Let's be careful.
Point two, you ready?
Okay.
Nice.
Yep. Yep, that's it.
Point one.
022, got it.
3096.
Got it.
229.
Go. Start plotting your shit.